First up on the show tonight, Vikram Thapa has finally got to say the lines that he's been practicing ever since the first trailer of Ra.One released. The lines are, "You are my chammak chalo," with appropriate hand movements, of course, to the woman who has inspired not just G1, not just Ra.One, but clearly our No One, Vikram Thapa, as well.
This heart is a very important part of the film in Ra.One. So now in the film, for Shah Rukh Khan, the heart is in the right place. But when I'm talking to someone as beautiful as Kareena Kapoor, the heart shifts. So thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
So I actually want to...
Wow, there's a song in it.
There's a song in it, you need to... But it stops. See, my heart stops now.
Yeah, your heart has skipped a beat.
Girl, you're my chammak chalo. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You could be my chammak chalo.
Did you think that this song will do so well, considering it leaked on the internet and, you know, a long time ago?
I don't know. I think when I heard the track, I knew that actually this is the song.
So did you demand for this song, that this song should be pictured only on me?
No, in fact, when you see the song and in the movie, it's a story-based song. There's lots of story in which, obviously, in the promos, you know, they're not showing, but there is a lot of story happening in the song when you see it in the film, because it comes at a very crucial point in the film. And I think that's why, you know, Shah Rukh decided that, you know, even when we publicize the film, it's going to just have Kareena in the red sari, and there's just this one poster of Ra.One. So it kind of, you know, it just leaves that impact.
The sari is extremely pivotal, we can all see that. I mean,
yes.
Everyone has been going gaga over that sari. A film like this, where you actually play the mother, I mean, these are days where people are not really comfortable doing that, and playing a mother to a 10-year-old, and didn't you think that, I mean, how would that work on your image?
Not at all, because in my last film I played a college student in Bodyguard, and exactly like a month later I'm playing a mother to a 10-year-old son. So I'm an actor and I want to do every possible kind of role and not be actually typecast and you know, just say that, oh, you know, I just want to play the bimbo dancing around, because that's really never been my scene. So I would love to, you know, play a mother. I'd love to do, you know, different kind of roles. Now in Agent Vinod I, you know, play an agent, so it's I try to do different kind of things.
Well, you are someone who hates action. The last time we spoke, you said, no, action is a great no-no. Then Bodyguard is an action film. This one is an action film. Agent Vinod, I'm sure they're not just talking there.
No, but actually, Agent Vinod is actually the only film where I've, you know, Saif has just dragged me out to do a bit of stunts.
Okay, one last question. Are you going to push this button now?
For the song?
Yeah. Are you going to dance now? Because it's going to shut. What does this mean in any case? What does it mean?
It's like a chammak challo.
Oh, what? Okay.
It's like...
Oh, I was thinking it was like, okay. In any case, Vikram Thapa in Mumbai for NDTV.